Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to battle in your Pokemon Go. So, at first, just open your phone. And as you open your phone, just open your Pokemon Go from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon Go, it takes a while to load depending on your internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait until it loads. And as it loads, you are in the space as I am. So all you have to do is click on this Pokeball right here at the middle of the phone. And as you click it, you can see these options right here. And you can see the option battle in this option. And just click it to battle. But guys, as you can see, battles are currently unavailable, so I can't battle it. But that's how you battle on your Pokemon Go. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.